All right, I am back and we are going to do a little phonics lesson. We're going to go through all of our letters and sounds that we practice at school, and we're going to start off with our flashcards. We'll go through that, and then I've got questions for you about some pictures I'm going to show you. So, all right, here we go. We always say the letter name, and then we say the sound that the letter makes. So we'll start here. Here we go. I, Y, V, F. Feel free to do the hand motions at home. E, R, H, A, T, B, O, S, D, A, C, and sometimes S, W, E, G, K, U, L, U, N, P, Q, M, O, Z, X, I, J. Now, these are some of our digraphs and some of the diphthongs where we have two letters that make one sound. So we have AR, and when you see these letters together, remember, they say R. When you see OY or OI, they make the sound OI. When we see OW and OU together, they say OW. O. So when we have a double O, remember it says ooh or ooh. Our digraphs, CH, ch, TH, and v, WH, and SH, shh. Excellent job doing your letter sounds at home with me today. All right, so today I am going to show you some pictures, and I want you to think if these are pictures that have a short A sound or a long A sound. So we're going to practice short A and long A. Remember, short A makes the sound ah. You say it, ah. And long A makes the sound A. You say it, A. It's when it says its name. All right, so I've got some pictures I'm going to hold up, and I'm going to kind of get really close so that you can see them. And you decide if it is a short A picture or a long A picture. Okay, here we go. Let's see if you can see the first one. This is a picture of an acorn. So is this long A or short A? This one is a picture of a snail. Is that long A or short A? The next one is a picture of somebody laying down. They're laying. Is that short A or is that long A? Next we have a picture of a bat. Is that short A or long A? Let's see. The next one is skate. Skate. Long A, short A. We have cake. Long A or short A? Grapes. Long A or short A? Van. Long A, short A? Apple. Long A or short A? And sad. Can you see that? She's sad. Sad. Long A or short A? Hopefully you got most of those correct, or all of them correct. And what you can do now to extend that activity is get you a piece of paper, grab some crayons or markers, and see if you can make a list of short A words and long A words. All right, I will see you back for a story.